going on? Your boy Akuma Matata, and I'm here in the midst of traffic. Look, see that? That is traffic. No freaking reason this guy want to come out as soon as I pull up. Always happens. Anyway, the reason that I'm driving the G, if you guys didn't notice, is because when I bought the car, I had an intake code, error code. Because remember, I changed the intake with a cheap eBay intake to erase the codes and I could inspect the car. But when I fixed that and I cleared the code for the intake and I ran it a little bit more, 2 new codes came on. And guess what it was? It was the catalytic converter codes. So eBay and PayPal sent me an offer saying that I could spend more than $600 and I could pay it back in 1 year without no interest. I was like, man, this is perfect timing. So I took the offer, and there was like, wait a minute. No. They denied me an offer that they pre-approved me that I didn't even ask for, and they denied me the freaking offer. But anyway, I committed to buying the high flow converters, but I haven't paid for them. So in the meantime, I want to get this car inspected. So I bought some defowlers. So this is what I bought. I bought these two right here, 42009 and 42008. Now, this one has the gasket, and this one does not. They didn't have 2 of these, so I just bought this one. It's the same thing. This one just has a gasket. It's a little bit shorter too. It's a little bit shorter. So I'm gonna try these. I hope I can just use one and it works, but I don't know how much space do I need to make the effect work. So this is the back one, and this is the other one right here. And these are the culprits. Okay, so I'm here down here trying to get this thing. I got the left bank right here. Oops, sorry. So I cleaned it up a little bit. As you can see, it's still dirty. I don't know if you could put any chemicals inside it to clean it up. I decided not to. But this one is stuck down there. So I put some some nut buster blaster right here, so I could maybe loosen it up and let it penetrate for like 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna try it again. Okay, so I popped this one right now with some nut buster. Finally came out. But look how dirty that thing is. Black on the bottom, white on the top. So I'm just gonna clean it up with a little bit of rag. Hopefully dirty sensor was the problem and not the actual catalytic converters. Okay, so because the other one didn't fit, I'm gonna use another one. Hopefully this is big enough for the sensors to come inside. This is a let me see. This is the biggest one I could fit. There is 13 and 32 right there. The big one I can't fit in there. The final result is almost nighttime. I cleaned this one up and I put it back just the way it is. And the other side, I managed to get one of them there because I wanted to test that out to see if the sensor was just dirty or is it really the catalytic converter. So I put one in and I left the other one out, just to test it out to see if it works with one or do I have to put 2 and to see if it was dirty. Yeah, so that's a test. This is the final result. She's put back together. She's looking mighty sweet. Oh yeah, baby. Here she is. she passed the inspection. So it turns out to was just dirty oxygen sensors, not the actual catalytic converter, which I'm so relieved from because that's really expensive, but I'm still gonna buy it for the Vader build, of course. I'm gonna buy some high flow catalytic converters. So yeah, for now, as you can see, the old streak from the power steering rack. Just a recap, that side has the defouler and this side does not, and both of them passed. So that means that the only problem was both of the sensors were dirty because both of them passed when before both had the same code of malfunction. So yeah, glad for that. This is Kumasada out. Until next time, peace.